Wyoming's Banded Iron Formation, specifically the rocks I have that were collected at various locations along the North Platte River, basically ranging from about where Glendo Reservoir is and going upstream from there all the way to, I believe it was Seminole Reservoir, Pathfinder Reservoir, and areas along there. So this is a fascinating piece of material. Those of you familiar with plate tectonics, you know that the plates are constantly moving and shifting. The continents have all come together and separated several times, according to the geologic record. And so this piece that I'm holding in my hand has likely been involved in several origins, meaning mountain building events, where blocks of the crust collided and separated. When North America was formed, several of these blocks collided together. And so this material has been buried to great depth, again brought up to the surface, then buried again, likely several times. And so the reason I keep turning it is you'll see that along every axis, along every possible direction you could look at it, it is grossly folded to the point of being tortured, if a rock can be tortured. Most rocks have what we might call corrugated folding. That's not a geologic term. I'm just using it as a comparison. But that's where most of the folds go in one direction. So if you look at the rock from one direction, it has straight lines. And if you look at it across the grain, as it were, then you see the folds. But this one is folded from every which direction. A fascinating piece capturing a lot of history. Here we see a beautiful brecciated pattern in banded iron formation. You can clearly see each of those small pieces still preserves the original layering. It's the pure iron variety, and then it's in a reddish matrix. But you just have to ask yourself, what went on down there to cause shattering of this intensity to occur and then resolidification somewhere along its epic journey. We know that banded iron formation is iron. And then the question is, why isn't all of it magnetic? For example, this piece here, get our little handy magnet out. It's actually very magnetic. That magnet is hard to pull off of there. We come over to this one, which this one here is borderline. It's right on the outside. It has some banded iron maybe there in the middle. It's not magnetic at all.